The 8 wastes. Lean aims to maximize customer value by eliminating waste through continuous improvement. An abundant quantity of waste can occur in the workplace, and anything that doesn't add any value for the customer must be considered waste. Wastes are seen as barriers against productivity. Let's take a look at the 8 wastes in more detail. Defects. Defects are things that result in needing to be reworked, be scrapped, or changed due to incorrect information. Overproduction. Production that is more than needed or produced before it is needed. Waiting. Time can be wasted if you have to wait for the next step in the process. Transportation. The unnecessary movement of products, materials or information. Non-utilized talent. When employers underutilize people's talent, skills, and knowledge, it is a waste of resources and skills. Inventory. When excess products and materials are not being processed, this creates related holding costs. Motion. Unnecessary movement of people due to poor workstation layout, over-movement of materials and poor planned usage of equipment. Extra processing. More work or higher quality than is required by the customer. A good way to remember the 8 wastes is the acronym downtime. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.